Gertrude Tokunu. They say the Osha the case in the Supreme Court be the justice of the Supreme Court to be. And I want to Chief Justice based on Article 146 process. Now, Wiki. And the Chief Government Communication Platoon, fellows Kwachu for Sudi statements about Mamen Kamo say, President Dramani Mahama, in accordance with Article 1441 of the 1992 Constitution, forwarded the name of his lawsuit, Justice Paul Bafuboni, to the Council of State for consideration as Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Justice Bafuboni has, throughout his distinguished judicial career, served with diligence and integrity at the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and currently the Supreme Court. He has made invaluable contributions to the development of Ghana jurisprudence. He has earned the esteem of the bench, the bar, and wider legal fraternity for his intellect, impartiality, and unwavering commitment to justice. His wealth of experience and long service on the bench render him eminently qualified for the high office of Chief Justice. His Lordship has been serving as acting Chief Justice since the 22nd of April 2025. Based on a certain article, Constitution Article 1441. President Mahama Abu Papayo on the screen, you see, Justice Paul Bafuboni says, you, madam, get to talk on you free or say, Article 1461, the 3 grounds habit in there, you will be a free or infirmity, incompetent misbehavior. No, abandoned misbehavior, so based on the recommendation of the committee, the in the dino, Papai, any day place in a coquase or parliament. Near confirming, obey the 16th. And obey the 14th. I got my payment data and my family news. Let me just check so that obey the 16th. I was correct. 16th Chief Justice of the country. But I got quite yeah. That's who need inquiry. Elqua. Maybe because say then radio judicial council recommended then mama ko boni din then say akokwati. Article 144 say 1 or say the Chief Justice shall be appointed by the President acting in consultation with the Council of State with the approval of Parliament. But to say the other Supreme Court justices shall be appointed by the President acting on the advice of the Judicial Council in consultation with the Council of State and the approval of Parliament. That why a student now pay education. I say that here. Your Chief Justice there, a simple matter. Where's the screen? Let me just add my screen. The Senate, I got CJ no Senate here. President anybody, not Parliament. And one, that's the equation. But so we are Justice of the Supreme Court, JSC, and no Judicial Council, no, and I make advice. President are selected now Parliament. So that's the difference. So meaning that when it comes to the Supreme Court justice, there's an element of the Judicial Council who must advise. And the President, I'm told, is not bound by the advice. This way, be do a job. But Chief Justice, President will be an act of Parliament. That is the provision of the law, Article 1441 and 2. So that's the difference there.
Okay.
Tomana, I confused. I don't know Judicial Council. Just about today's explanation. President say boom did not appoint only Chief Justice or Parliament.
No,
appointment committee no two ministers and deputy minister no.
Yeah.
Na we are wakosum so omo grant na. But what just about for one hwan picture me yama ache. It is June 2008. Papa ko for efre and obonipo for bidi emo call the Supreme Court say not Justice Bafubon no the appeals court. Akomo bo mudi no Justice Rose Constance Owusu, Justice Judicial no. Justice Emily Yabua, Anna Justice Paul Bafuboni. I work right here. Kofu 8 no. All factors holding constant. 2 will be serving as Chief Justice of the country. Say Justice Emily Yabua Kwame Jim. Justice Constance Owusu Atenso Kwame Jim. Justice Jones the Chenso Kwame Jim. The Koko so me Kwame Jim. The President Mama Boy Justice Bafuboni Day is because I'm told say when you're Chief Justice you retire at 70. As we speak, per the profile I'm online Troy about Justice Paul Bafuboni no. You on December 26, 1956.
Right.
And Jakokwa say 1956 they are. Me calculate and cram it. In Jakokwa say 2000 and what? 2005 1956 meboa to the back of ba na 59 9 meboa na haka 1 Enti ye beka ho a 11 na 69 years akokwa on December 26 Justice Bafuboni baby 69 years. Meaning say President Mahama in 2027 esabebo Chief Justice Fufurudin.
Yeah.
Pacho yate ase.
70 no na si.
No be call retirement. Nteti ye kasa papa no be 68 years.
Right.
December year be 69 years. Until by 26 December 2026 no we be 70 years. So meaning that acha by 1st January 2027 there you be Chief Justice Fufurudin.
Sure.
And likely per the convention it go through the current court of Chief Justice ayewo the court of the current Supreme Court Justice ayewo ijako kwase me family phone na mama Supreme Court Justices because they see a there Supreme Court Justices Judicial Council akokwa na so omodo so pan men kai kran on top of my head me kai Justice Yoni Kolendi okahu akokwa men kai kran me kai Professor Henrietta Mensa Bonsu okahu akokwa yawo Justice Everett Loveless Johnson okahu yawo Justice Isi Fumoro Tanko Amadu okahu yawo Justice Professor Henrietta Joy Abena Nyako Mensa Bonsu okahu Justice Emmanuel Yoni Kolendi kahu Justice Samuel Kwame Edibu Esiedu kahu Justice George Kingsley Kumsin kahu Justice Yao Jehu kahu Justice Henry Kofi kahu Justice Yao Dakwasare kahu Justice Richard J. Frempong kahu Justice Senior Jamefe kahu Justice Dennis Dominic J. kahu Justice Simon Sobari Metini Dino Fencha kahu Justice Bright Philip Mensah kahu yawo Justice Afista Amaliboba kahu Justice Kwekuteya Kabwafo kahu ono the first Supreme Court Justice of the Western of Region kahu Justice Jana Perry Batel Skujo kahu akokwa say nipa 18 emu ba akona 2017 based on the convention no waha yebenya ba akona the Chief Justice na akokwa yenkoso of the 15 justices now yenya no a bit of contest and a bit of history and your first time in the history pam Chief Justice okwa sir akokosa ono da so yi onu ni BBC
right
o say I think 61 62 kumunu bombe so okay and it was a near assassination attempt on the life of President Nkrumah. You see, you're not suspected one Adama few no information minister and info na kwa yet a 3-member committee Biography Justice I think Larry Lare and a Justice Akoko sa no Chief Justice and a President Kufuor papa Edo de Kufuor na kwa nkwatena so no mu nza nkwofo na ya akiwe no mu be answer money no so they discharge them to go and Nkrumah happy and Akokwa sake no I'm told say no kan na the famous of the 1992 constitution this article 146 process by which remove the power from the president to a certain committee pursuant to the establishment of the prima facie basis by the Council of State. It's a fair justice a pound Ghana in our history there Akokwa say Akokosa by the first time in the fourth republican dispensation you have four republics first republican dispensation Justice Gertrude Tokon
right
the Akokwa ebenya Justice Akokosa he was sacked ofri wono ene ebenya Justice Sarkodie Ed Julius Sarkodie no so na the second Chief Justice of our country ye wie ku no miskas ye wie ku na say meka ho mu wie ku no February 24 1966 no mu tu Kwame Nkrumah no ene ono so I mean it was coterminous no so ono so 10 abawie the third Chief Justice ebenya ye no the father of the former president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Edward Akufo-Addo ono so be Chief Justice was serving from 63 to 74 some 4 years or we need Justice Alexander Lankwe Bannerman one of the fourth Chief Justice or survey for a brief time or we need Justice Frederick Kwesi Akpalu or also there is the fifth Chief Justice Chief Justice crowd Kenya from 1993 to 1995 or no survey Ghana from 77 to 86 if my memory serves me right he will be the second longest Chief Justice Ayena from 77 to 86 but then go through the anonymity you know Justice Ni Pobishowa on also served from 86 to 94 years. And you Justice Philip Archer was serving 91 to 95 or 2002. He was the Chief Justice that transitioned us to the Fourth Republican dispensation. To 11 years of military junta, no. Chief Justice are no not Bakuni. And your ban 1992 Fourth Republican dispensation or twice, so it was in 1995 for Kwame 2002.
Right.
Chief Justice say any other kind of day, papa way. Gen-Z, you know. I did Cobana 1995 to 2001. But me kind of me age there. Justice Edward Kwame Redu.
Right.
On also serve for just 2 years. And I'll call Ahumedium. And I'll call Ahumedium. No, I think we recent times. But also about kind of Justice George Kingsley Aqua. I'll call him in office. In office to in July 2007.
Right.
And we bring a certain history in our body policy council judicial. Bring the first female chief justice. That is Justice Georgina Chidowawood. I see the longest serving chief justice ayenya. Okay, there are several ways to kill a cat. No, there's one minimum. I want to make free. Within the 10 years, you need a proper for 2007. No, just about 60 years.
Sure.
Or 70 the 70 years. And so she, for purpose of education, she is the longest serving chief justice in a full 10 years. 2007 to 2017. Free one and a bear papa na me born the Frederick Kwesi Akpalu on also serving from 77 to 86, 9 solid years as chief justice.
Right.
Now, free one. The Justice Osei-Tutu, the tradition continues. You don't know about for another survey from 2007, June 2017, so 2017 to 2019. So that's about 2 years because they will do the mandatory age of 70. Anyway, Justice Kwesi Enim Yabua, on also survey from 2019 to somewhere 2023. Just about 3.5 years. Anybody, Madam get to talk on. But of the 15 chief justices, because you confirm Justice Bafuboni, a man a 3, and a man a 13. So you pass Justice for Bafuboni about the 14th, no, the 13th May. Na man I a 3, now 16 chief justices. I in our history. So that's Georgina, that is Madam Osei-Tutu, and Ade.